enjoyed my video last week about travel vlog, and this week I have come up with a nice and unique idea because Valentine Day is around the corner.
Well, we could just make an original and simple dish, but let's be a little fancier. So today we're going to be telling you how to make the famous and trendy pinata cake.
That's right. So let me show you how to make this pinata cake at home and you do enjoy with your family and friends.
So for the main cake we will need Oreo biscuits. I have taken the normal Oreo biscuits, 1.5 packets, and now we are going to crush them. Next we will add half a cup of milk in this mixture and mix it well. We will add milk little by little and slowly until we get the right consistency. Next, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. You can adjust it according to your taste. Now I will add half tablespoon of baking powder, and this will make the cake spongy and soft. Now the mixture is ready to be transferred to the mold. Make sure you grease the mold well on the sides and the bottom so that the cake comes out nicely. Place the butter paper at the bottom and then transfer the mixture gently. We will give a few taps to the mold to settle the mixture and to remove any air bubbles. So now we are ready to bake the cake. For that I have taken this pan. I have put a small stand to keep a gap between the mold and the pan. So while the cake is getting ready, we will work on our piñata layer. So I have got this heart-shaped silicone piñata mold which is readily available in the market. To melt the chocolate, we have used double boiler. The water is getting heated in the bottom layer. We need 300 grams of white chocolate compound, and we will place it on the top container of the boiler and allow it to melt slowly. While the white chocolate is melting, we will check on our main cake using a toothpick. Since the bottom is still sticky, we will cook it for some more time. In the meantime, we will continuously stir the white chocolate so that it doesn't burn. Then once it is done, we will turn off the gas and move to the next. So now the key step is to coat the piñata mold with our melted chocolate. We will do this in 2 steps. I am using this brush to spread the chocolate evenly and form a thin layer. We can also hold the mold in our hands and turn it around this way to make sure there are no gaps. We will keep this first layer in the freeze for 10 minutes to set. Looks like our main cake is also ready. We will keep it aside for few minutes to cool before we demold. So our first layer of piñata is set nicely. Now we will coat it with second layer, which will be thicker. To set the second layer, we will again keep it in the freeze for another 15 minutes.
देख सकते हैं हमारा केक कितना अच्छे से बेक हो गया है और अच्छे से राइज हुआ है बिकॉज ऑफ द बेकिंग पाउडर. नाउ वी विल डीमोल्ड द केक ऑन द ट्रे.
Let's invert the mold to remove the cake. Peeling off the butter paper. Wow, it looks so perfect, spongy and fluffy. Let's decorate it. I have some white chocolate left, so I will use it to decorate the cake. I also have stars and sprinkles available at my home, so I am using them as well.
सो आप देख सकते हैं हमें जो घर पे जो डेकोरेशंस के आइटम्स थे उससे ही हमने अपना केक डेकोरेट किया है। आप अपनी क्रिएटिविटी और इनोवेशन इसमें डाल सकते हैं। तो मैंने ये बच्चों के लिए बनाया है, तो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि डेयरी मिल्क डालें तो दे विल बी वेरी हैप्पी एंड सरप्राइज। पिनाटा केक में आप आइसक्रीम रख सकते हो या कोई फेवरेट हो बच्चों का, कुछ भी हो, चॉकलेट हो, पेस्ट्री हो, तो वो भी आप अंदर रख सकते हो। तो पिनाटा मोल्ड को डीमोल्ड करेंगे। इसके लिए स्लोली हम इसे रखेंगे और बहुत ही जेंटली इसको करना है।
Please remove the mold gently. It can break easily. Look how nice our piñata dome is looking.
सो गाइस आप देख सकते हैं हमारा पिनाटा जो शेल है वो बन गया है, और आप देख सकते हैं इधर ही हमारा क्रैक आया है, बट इट्स ओके, डोंट वरी। इतना हमने प्यार से बनाया है तो इतना तो चलता है। हम अभी इसे केक के ऊपर सेट करेंगे। पिनाटा केक हमारा रेडी हो गया है, शेल हमारा रेडी हो गया है। अभी हम इसे डेकोरेट करेंगे विथ सम डार्क चॉकलेट।
I have used some chocolate syrup to decorate my piñata shell. I will use some sprinkles on top to give nice contrast.
So guys, our piñata cake is ready and you can see it's looking so beautiful. It came out, the dome came out so nice and beautiful.
So to get to the real surprise, you have to break the outer shell. Well, it doesn't really feel like breaking it because it's so beautiful to watch. But if you want to get to the real treasure, that's what we have to do. Hopefully you put a surprise in there because I'm counting on that.
Let's check it out. You want to do it?
Okay.
Wow, we are going to break it.
3, 2,
Slowly.
1.
So you can see it's coming up. Wow.
Let's see.
So let's separate the layers and see what goodies are hidden inside.
Oh my gosh, Dairy Milk is my favorite. I'm gonna take both of these. Thank you.
So hope you guys like the unique idea and do enjoy your Valentine's special, this piñata cake with your loved ones, and let me know how it goes.
Yes, you have to try this recipe because the cake and the chocolate, of course, is amazingly delicious. So please try it out and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel while you're on it.
Till then, keep rocking, guys. Thank you for watching.